Lindsay Kilmer, the article Leaning In, A Student's Guide to Engaging Constructively with Social Justice Content, is basically a handbook um, of situations and real examples of issues that create a barrier in the classroom. So, some of the issues could be willing to feel ignorance, anecdotal evidence, negative reactions, social positions, and grading effort versus knowledge is a big one, but the list goes on and on. So, the article gives 5 different guidelines for teachers to follow to keep a respectful and safe environment in the classroom between the teacher and the student. So, when things do go wrong or situations do come up between students and a professor or teacher, it is just really important to keep a professional and positive relationship with the students. So the guidelines are number 1, strive for intellectual humility. Number 2, everyone has an opinion. Opinions are not the same as informed knowledge. Number 3, let go of anecdotal evidence and instead examine patterns. Guideline 4, use your reactions as entry points for gaining deeper self-knowledge. And number 5, recognize how your social position informs your reactions to your instructor. So the guideline that I think is the most challenging is guideline number 2, which is um, opinions are, everyone has an opinion. Opinions are not the same as informed knowledge. To me, this is difficult because all of us hold opinions on all topics, and because of that, students are unwilling to learn about subjects that they already have formed strong opinions about. So those could be social studies, science, and a good example in the text was about a astronomer or a professor teaching astronomy, and the student didn't want to believe that there are 9 planets, and that was hard because that was past knowledge. So unfortunately, it is very difficult for teachers to reverse um, opinions because the opinions have been ingrained for so many years. Um, so it's really important to me as a future teacher to know how to deal with those situations properly. And for me as a student this semester, it is my goal to just set my opinions aside because I am learning things that I need to implicate in my classroom. It's not about me anymore. It's not about my opinions. It's about the facts. And I am, in a few years, I'm going to have a room full of opinionated, diverse students, and I need to learn as much as I can and implicate these guidelines so I can have a positive and professional relationship with my students.